Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're just joining us today, my name is Uzzo and I'm a Lagos-based content creator slash YouTuber slash blogger slash every single thing. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel. I do beauty videos, lifestyle, slowly creeping into the fashion scene, but yeah, that's basically all I do on this channel, and I like to do a lot of DIYs as well. So today I decided to bring my skincare routine to you guys. My last skincare routine did so well, and it was basically products from Beauty Formulas. So if you don't know Beauty Formulas is like a budget-based brand, but their things are really good. Like, I started using them like 2 years ago, and I haven't stopped. I haven't looked back, and I haven't regretted any of the purchases I have made, both for my skin and for my hair as well. I'll be doing another video about like their hair range of products, but yeah, so today's video I'm going to be doing like a mixture of both DIY and I think just one beauty formula product. But yeah, I use two on a daily basis, but I'm going to be showing you something else, but I'll show you that product after. I'm rambling at this point, but I'll show you the product. It's like a cleanser, a detox cleanser, and yeah, that's basically it. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's that red button down below, and click the notification bell so you get notified every time I post a new video. And leave a comment down below if there's any of the recipes you want me to show on my channel. Just let me know and I will do it. Yeah, basically I'll do it for you guys. So yeah, so without wasting much of your time, let's get right into this video. So for cleanser, I'm going to be doing, I usually do the double cleanse method every day, but I do it in the night. So this is like my nighttime routine. This is not what I do in the mornings. And I'm going to be going in with my DIY oil cleanser, as well as my DIY black soap. Yeah, I usually use this to bath and wash my face as well. Alternatively to my black DIY soap, I use the Beauty Formulas charcoal detox cleanser, and this, I must say, is one of the best cleansers I've used. It doesn't strip my face of the moisture, and it leaves my face really feeling squeaky clean. And I guess that's the basis of a cleanser, and it only retails for like 1,000 naira. So, and you get how many, what's the size? You get 4.9 fluid ounces, 150 ml. So I think it's a way good purchase. Like, it's too good for the money. I hope they don't even hear me, but yeah, they can hear me so they can come and sponsor my next video. But today I'll just be using my black DIY cleanser and my oil cleanser. So this is what my DIY cleanser looks like. It's solid, but if, as you can see, it moves. It's not liquid. I don't know if you guys can see it. So I just take, well, I don't think there's any measurement to it. I take as a spirit leads. So I'll be taking this much, and so I'm going to be doing this for about 60 seconds. I like to follow the 60-second rule, and I think it really works. I've been following this rule for about a month now, a month to 2 months, and I've seen a visible difference on my skin. So I just massage it in, especially my cheek area, because that's like my problem area. I get to break out the most in my cheek, right? Not on my cheek, on my cheek I break out a lot here, and so that's why I'm concentrating. That's why I have my largest pores. Then taking a damp face towel, so it's warm. I use a warm damp face towel, and I just use this to further massage my skin and get that oil off. So next, I like to scrub my lips before I do my like soap cleanser, and this is a DIY lip scrub. It's actually one of the products I'm going to be selling on my website, or yeah, I'm going to be selling soon. I'm coming out with a list of handmade cosmetic products, so this is one of them. With my oil cleanser, this is as little I take, so I just wet my hand a bit and I just go into my face using the same 60-second rule. So to clean my face, I use a face towel dedicated to my face, and I just clean my face. That's it. That's all. So I only use this face towel on my face. I really don't use paper wipes because I feel they're going to be too rough on my skin. So this works better for me. So I forgot to mention, on days where I know that I have worn a lot of makeup, I always use this beauty sponge thing. I really don't like to exfoliate my face because I really have I don't like to what the hell, I do not really like to exfoliate my skin because I have pretty sensitive skin and anything harsh can start to make me break out. So I only use this when I've been wearing makeup consecutively, but for the past 2 weeks I haven't really worn makeup, so I just decided to go in with the cleanser and to just double cleanse, and that's basically it, and it works fine for me. So now my face is squeaky clean. So after cleaning my face, I like to go in with the toner, and the toner I use is this DIY apple cider, I don't know why I keep saying apple, the DIY apple cider vinegar, and I mixed 1 part water and 1 part apple cider vinegar in this bottle with some drops of lavender essential oil. So initially I started out with 1 part water, no, 2 parts water, 1 part apple cider vinegar, and it cleared up my skin, and I just felt, well, I could amp it up a bit, and so I used 1 part water and 1 part apple cider vinegar with some lavender oil in it. By the way guys, I'm so happy for Jackie Aina. She got engaged last week, or okay, that's when I'm recording the video, but by the time this video is out, it will be sometime in August. She got engaged sometime in August, and low-key I thought she was married to Dennis, but I'm so happy for her that she's engaged. Like, this month was just so good for Jackie Aina. She got the Anastasia Beverly Hills collaboration with the eyeshadow palette, and that eyeshadow palette looks amazing. It looks like fire. Not looks like fire, it is fire, because guys, I saw the video where she did the swatches and every little detail. Lord, you see that Shikington and Wigglies? Okay, I think those has to be like my best colors at the moment. Yeah, I'm really just happy for her, and I tap into that blessing. Please, that's all I can say right now. I tap into the blessing. I tap into her blessing. Don't forget your neck, guys. It's a part of your body. So the sheet mask I'll be using today is the Miniso Pink Panther sheet mask. This is the first time that I'm using it, and I really don't know what to do. Oops. Ooh, okay. So when you tear off the first layer here, I think there's a mini mask inside. Ooh. So what you see. I want to believe this goes under the eye. What does it? Okay, now I'm confused. So I'm taking off the film thing. Oh, and ugh. So I'm just gonna leave this for 20 minutes. I'll be right back, or whatever it dries, because my money cannot waste.
Baby, oh, I'm not much of a talker. Baby, oh, can I drink from your water? Baby, oh, meet me down by the river. We can dance through the river till the sun is high and the water runs dry.
Thank you. So I'm done moisturizing my face with the sheet mask, and okay, this is my first time of using a sheet mask. My face feels very sticky, but soft, really soft, because I shaved my face. So if you like to see how I shaved my face, just click here or here. I think it's somewhere here. Just click here, you'd see the eye pop up, so you can check that out. But yeah, so next I'll be going in with my argan oil serum, and it's a night repair serum. So I use this basically at night. Sometimes I use it during the day, like when I want to wear makeup and I want it to have like a dewy look, so that's what I use. But today I'll be using this serum. It's already nighttime, and yeah, it's like this creamy serum. I showed it to you in my last video. Guys, can you see how juicy my skin looks? My skin is looking juicy. Last but not the least, I go in with my DIY oil moisturizer, and I use this basically at night because it also contains a little bit of lemon oil, which is photosynthetic or photo something. No, not did I say photosynthetic? No, photosensitive. Benny, that's the word I was looking for. Photosensitive. So I use this. I use just this like 5 drops. And I use this, and I make sure I use a sunscreen every morning because of the lemon oil. If not, it's just going to make my skin look darker, and then what's the purpose of the oil? So just, and it's so like I was going to say so lightweight, as you can see that it dropped in my mouth. Ugh. So that's it for this video, guys. I really do hope you enjoyed it. If there's any recipe or DIY video you would like to see from this video, please leave a comment down below and I'll be sure to put it up for you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I post a new video. Give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Peace out. Kasia Lerers.